So here's a piece of vinyl that's out of the centre of the centre armrest of the back seat. With prepping this, you're not going to get virtually anything out of there at all. So you can actually refinish these. If you find that you want to recolour your vinyl, it's not a problem. Here again, let's get into the scouring pad. So all the vinyl, I've also cleaned that with the previous process that we did earlier, you know, just the cleaning and the scouring pad. I've done the vinyl as well with that, so I'm virtually doing the same process for everything. Old leather, new leather and the vinyl. So you can see here now there's not a lot coming out of there. It's probably just overspray from somebody else's, someone else had a crack at this at an earlier date. So go over that again. A couple of times, exactly what you would do with the leather, and you can actually spray over vinyl as well. So there you have it. That's very, very simple. So as I said before, your mantra is scrub on, wipe off, do it thoroughly, getting into the pleats and the stitching, blow all the rubbish out with the air gun, let it dry. I'll do that a couple of times over the whole job, and you should have a very, very good, well prepared base ready for the colour to go on. So there you go, over and out.